Ever scrolled through TikTok and seen those insanely cool neon pets in Adopt Me? You know, the ones that glow in the dark and practically shimmer with magic? And you just know you'd be the best owner ever. You'd build them the ultimate dream house, feed them only the rarest treats, and give them all the love in the world. But how on earth do you convince a mythical creature to choose you? Well, fear not, fellow Adopt Me enthusiasts, because today, we're diving deep into the art of neon pet adoption. We're talking strategies, tips, and maybe even a little bit of magic. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Neon pets are incredibly rare. They're born when you breed 4 of the same legendary or ultra-rare pet together. So, if you're dreaming of a neon dragon, you'll need to breed 4 legendary dragons. Easier said than done, right? Tip number 1, the breeding grind. This is where patience is key. Set up your breeding den, choose your parents wisely, look for pets with good ages and maybe even some lucky charms, and get breeding. It might take a while, but the anticipation is part of the fun. Tip number 2, the trading game. If you're not feeling lucky with breeding, trading is your next best bet. Start small. Trade up from common pets to rare, then to ultra-rare, and finally, to legendaries. Tip number 3, join a trading hub. Online trading hubs are a fantastic resource. You can find other players looking to trade, learn about current trading values, and even find mentors who can guide you through the process. Tip number 4, the luck factor. Let's be honest, a little bit of luck never hurts. Lucky charms, special events, and maybe even a little bit of good old-fashioned wishmaking can't hurt. Now, here's the most important tip of all, treat every pet with kindness and respect. Whether it's a common pet or a legendary one, each creature deserves to be loved and cared for. Remember, the goal isn't just to get a neon pet, it's to build a loving and lasting relationship with your furry, or scaly, or feathery friend. So, there you have it. My top tips for increasing your chances of adopting a neon pet in Adopt Me. It might take time, effort, and a little bit of luck, but with dedication and patience, your dream of owning a glowing, shimmering companion could become a reality. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy trading.